In this video, we will review how to synchronize calc results, schedules, and new fixture placements in the app back to your linked Revit model. Here I'm showing LightStanza and Revit side by side, and you can switch between windows that have more workspace on your screen. You can send calc results back to Revit by first opening the 2D report, then selecting the export button on the calc area you want transferred. After a confirmation screen, this will transfer the calc results into the currently open Revit view. Okay, so now we're going to send fixture and calc report schedules back into Revit. It's as easy as selecting this Export to Revit button. After a confirmation screen, Revit will import fixture and calc schedules that are both human readable and scaled for typical size sheets. Here you can see the fixture schedule transferred back into Revit. And this one shows the calc stats. Lastly, by turning on the LightStanza Revit Return Sync, any fixture changes in the LightStanza app will be reflected in the Revit model. When I move the fixture in LightStanza, you can also see it update in Revit. You can also delete fixtures in LightStanza, and they too, you guessed it, will be deleted in Revit. New fixtures placed in the LightStanza app will be sent back as generic unhosted families in their corresponding position in Revit. These generic families will have some fixture details in their properties, so it'll make it easier for you to replace them with Revit lighting family alternatives. You can even undo in LightStanza, which will also sync and undo back into Revit. This concludes our video detailing how LightStanza directly communicates calc results, schedules, and fixture placements back into Revit. Thank you.